boy a real boy?
No, Pinocchio. To make Geppetto's wish come true will be entirely up to you.
What's up guys, I'm Kazi Omar, this is Technologically Challenged, and today's video is a quick rundown about everything you need to know about the new iPad Pro 2020. So this is it, the bigger 12.9-inch iPad Pro in space gray. Right off the bat, a very familiar design as the form factor has not changed, as this is more of a refresh to our most beloved tablet. And by that I mean there are a few improvements inside that takes it leaps and bounds ahead of its competition. Honestly, the last few years the iPad Pro has been truly great, and in my opinion this release kind of pushes it further. Now this is a quick rundown of the iPad Pro 2020, which means it will cover the specs and the new features. However, the full review is coming very soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel for that as well. Also, I'm pretty sure you know that they've released a fancy new piece of accessory along with the new iPad Pro, which is called the Magic Keyboard. It is a case with a backlit keyboard, pass-through USB-C port, and a floating mount for the iPad. But more importantly, it also has a trackpad. Now that is very interesting. The iPad Pro 2020 has had two major upgrades from its last model, which was released in 2018. It now comes with Apple's own A12Z chip along with a whole new camera module. And the performance boost is evident on the Geekbench numbers. As you can see, it truly sets itself apart from the rest of the competition. Also worth noting is the fact that it says it has 6GB of RAM, which is fun to know because Apple's never really revealed that in the past before. Now I know a lot of people will go off at me saying that Android phones come with even higher RAM, but let me assure you, iOS optimization plays a massive role when it comes to using your memory properly. And that optimization makes the iPad Pro even more of a beast when it comes to performance, and that includes gaming. It gets even better thanks to the 120Hz buttery smooth display paired with the 240Hz touch refresh rate. And then we have the new camera module for the iPad Pro, and it really is a new system. I mean, we all ask the same question when it comes to iPads and cameras. I mean, do we really want to be this guy who's shooting something like this? Probably not. With this new camera module, you get two rear cameras. The primary camera being a 12-megapixel camera at f1.8 aperture. It's not as good as the iPhone 11, but it is good enough. The other one is a 10-megapixel ultra-wide camera at f2.4 aperture, which is again good enough for an ultra-wide camera. The third circular thing that you see, which looks like a camera without a lens, is the LIDAR sensor. Yes, LIDAR, light detection and ranging. Now the first thing that comes to mind when you see this is why? But let me assure you that it has its perks. This isn't something you usually see in a smartphone or a tablet. This is something that is usually seen in self-driving cars or even rovers on different planets. Basically, this is just a very powerful depth sensor made just for AR. For me, it is not a big deal because I don't really use AR that much, and I cannot justify buying a whole new device just for this one feature. You can basically look at it as an experimental move by Apple to see how well it is accepted by the community before they put this feature on an iPhone. Another amazing addition to the new iPad Pro is the array of microphones that it comes with. And they're great microphones. I'm really loving this push towards audio by Apple, and I hope other companies do the same. But that is not all. One of the most wished for feature is finally here, and that is trackpad support. And you get that with iOS 13.4. I will dive deeper into this and the iPad Pro as a whole in my full review video, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can see that video as well. But all in all, trackpad support is finally here and I love it. Honestly, this was just a quick rundown of what you get with the iPad Pro 2020. The full review video is coming very soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel for that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked the video. Click on this video over here to see my quick rundown of the iPhone SE 2020. Click on this over here to see which video YouTube thinks is the best for you. As always, remember to subscribe to this channel, smash that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one.